Um, Next question says, your friend wants to open a clothing shop. A necessary capital resource is A, place to open the shop. B, knowledgeable fashion manager. C, license to conduct business. Or D, highway billboard for advertising. So there's two things that we want to consider here. One is necessary, and two is capital resource. Necessary means it's essential, right? You have to have this in order to open this clothing shop. And capital resource refers to the type of resource we're doing. Capital is physical space, some sort of good that is used to further produce additional goods or services. And so that's what we're dealing with. We're not necessarily dealing with human capital. We're not dealing with legal resources and stuff like that, right? So let's go down the line. A says place to open the shop. And right off the bat, that seems really good. If you want to open a clothing shop, you need to have a place to open it. If you don't have a place to open it, you can't open a clothing shop, right? We're going to assume it's like brick and mortar shop, not like an online shop. So that's necessary. And it's also a capital resource, right? Land, real estate, that's capital, right? That's something that we use to further produce additional goods and services. And so it seems to fulfill both of the criteria given to us in the question. Let's just go down the line to make sure A is the correct answer. B says a knowledgeable fashion manager. First of all, is it necessary? No. We'd like to have a knowledgeable fashion manager, of course, but you don't need to have one to open a clothing shop. And second, it's not a capital resource, that's a human resource, right? That's somebody who is knowledgeable, someone who has human capital. And so that's not capital resource. C says license to conduct business. It's a legal requirement, so it's a necessity, but it's not a capital resource. A license is not something that we use to produce future goods and further goods and services, right? So C is going to be incorrect. And finally, D, highway billboard for advertising. This is going to be again, this is going to be something that's not necessary, right? You don't need a highway billboard to advertise. We would like to have one, but that's not something that's necessary. It is a capital resource, however, something that you can use to kind of promote your service and basically allow you to produce more of the good and service. So A is going to be the correct answer here. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. Previous tutor says that in economics, the production of anything depends on factors of production like labor, capital, land, etc. We can also say that some of the resources are necessary for the production of a particular good. Like for some goods, capital investment, and for some, labor is necessary. The capital resource is a type of resource which is used to further produce goods and services like tools, buildings, machinery, etc. In question, it is said that one of our friends wants to open a clothing shop, then the necessary capital resource is a place to open that shop. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. And so that's pretty good. And so we're going to mark that as correct.